Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on banana. Bananas are yellow and carved fruits. They grow on tall plants with big leaves. Inside, bananas are soft and sweet. You can eat bananas raw or in smoothies. They are easy to peel and eat as a snack. Bananas are good for you and make you strong. They have lots of vitamins and energy. You can use bananas in baking like in banana bread. Some bananas turn brown when they get old. Monkeys love to eat bananas too. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.